SAP, one of the largest vendors of enterprise resource planning software, is used for managing business processes for an enterprise, such as accounting, sales, finance, human resources, etc. Some of the use cases around integrating SAP data involves moving your data to as-a-service data warehouses like Snowflake, Google BigQuery, Teradata, etc. for analytics purpose. On the other hand, it is very important to centralize and distribute data by building a data hub architecture with batch, real-time, and streaming processes built to improve agility and reactivity. Use Hadoop, Spark clusters for SAP data in your big data analytics projects. As well, SAP has many ways you can exchange data. Therefore, a solution which is comprehensive enough to work with all the different SAP technologies is really important for your IT teams. To simplify your SAP integration needs, presenting Stambia Component for SAP. Stambia Component works synchronously and asynchronously based on the methods to exchange data to and from SAP. The integration also includes extracting data from SAP BW and data sources. Reverse engineer all the SAP structures in the form of BAPI, doc, tables, data sources, etc. with native technology descriptors reversed that let you understand and use them in data mappings. Design simple mappings to exchange data using these methods. Stambia templates for SAP handles all the complexities in the background. These templates are designed to call a BAPI, use iDocs, generate an ABAP program, etc. with dedicated components for SAP HANA, SAP ASE, Sybase IQ, etc. to support the entire SAP environment. As an integrator, here's why you should choose Stambia. Federate any type of data integration projects using the unified solution. Integrate, migrate, and exchange data using the Stambia Universal Mapping. Accelerate your designs with a flexible and scalable technology. Stambia is an adaptable platform that keeps up with the evolution of your information system. And lastly, decompartmentalize your information system, free up time for IT services, and reduce your global integration cost. For more details, contact us on stambia.com.